What's my camera first? Oh yeah, that's it. So yeah, this is the stadium that I'm using. And yeah, the typical stadium, and as I know, is a stadium used for burst, but also can be used for metal fusion also. Yeah. So yeah, we have here our Pegasus, and where is that box? Yeah, this box, the Astro S Pegasus 105 RF, and it is a bootleg one. And this is the only remaining one, which is also a Pegasus, but I don't know what this is already. But yeah, because I forgot. It's already been a year. Okay, so yeah, let's try to have a battle with these two. Yeah. So how can I do this? So put this one right here. Oh, first, before we have a battle, let's have a spin test first. Let's have a spin test. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, so let's have a battle. It's so boring. Okay, let's go. So let's have a battle with this and then the other Pegasus also. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Okay. And 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Let's see. Yeah, that's the movement. And not unlike the Beyblade X that we know already, that it's very exciting because the movements are very aggressive, but this one is, yeah, that's like just like that. Okay, okay. Okay, and who will win? Oh yeah. So the other Pegasus, the orange one, wins. Okay, so let's try to have the first launch is the orange one, then the red one. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Ooh. Stays out with the opponent, the yellow of the orange one. Oh! Ooh. That's a great scrape. So I don't know if the red can have a comeback for that. I think it's not. And out of spin. And yeah, the paints are already chipping. You know that it's just paint. It's not the metal itself. Okay, so another play and last one. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. And 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that's so strong. Okay, just have a fight.